Hello, everybody. My name is Paul McMillan II, and welcome to another live New York session. It is October 2nd, and it is Wednesday. Let me go ahead and plug my phone up here. I'm going to charge up. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to be trading gold today. Before we get started, let's check the news. And at 8:15, we have the ADP non-farm employment change. So that's past, it's 9 o'clock now, so we don't have any other major news for the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and get going. So first thing we're going to do is just figure out what is the overall trend. Really from this swing low pretty much to this swing high, really. We could say that really price is really overall bullish here, even on this swing low here, price pushed up a little bit. So it looks like price is in an overall bull market. I'm going to extend my trend line here. Now we're going to turn on the CC trend indicator just to verify. Okay. And so as we can see, the trend line for the CC trend indicator is kind of leveled out because there's a lot of consolidation here. But we can still clearly see that price is overall bullish at this point. So that's fine. Because we're pretty much still in close enough. So now that we have observed that on the 1 hour time frame, we're going to go to a smaller time frame, which is the 15-minute. And what we're going to do on the 15-minute is that we're going to actually focus on the current trend, which when we look from this swing low here, it started all the way from this swing high, prices were pushing down, and you see previous structure being broken this previous low. So it's a great chance that price is currently bearish at this point. So we'll confirm that with the CC trend indicator, see if everything lines up, but we'll go ahead and put our trend line here. So we're going to erase this because now we're focused on current price for the current trend. But so now we're going to turn on the CC trend indicator and see. And yes, we have the gray line that confirms that we're correct. So it is pushing down. But that's all we need to know at this point as far as the current trend. And now we're going to drop a trading ranges. So when we look at this move, ended with this swing low and originated with this swing high. And then we had a breaker structure here. So that's what we want to mark that. So we're going to take our horizontal way. We want to mark that the swing low here, all the way up to this swing high. Then we're going to put this breaker structure here. So then we're going to label this as a bearish trading range. Then we're going to go ahead and label this. So this is our swing low. This is our swing high. And this is our breaker structure. Right. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take our Fibonacci, and since we're in the bearish trading range, we're going to swing it from the most recent high to the most recent low. And so as we can see previously, price rejected the 60% here, earlier to 70%. It's like it's rejecting 38.20. So we have probably a solid structure around this area. So that's what we're going to mark that. So we're going to put our cells on here. While the cell going, we're gonna kind of move it to, the right, that way you see it here. And then we're gonna mark the third zone. And I'm gonna mark it all the way out to the 30th, 20th bottom here. That way, when we will space. That way we can kind of see that price could pull anywhere to this structure all the way up to here. And then continue to go down possibly. Right. So what we're gonna do is just turn on the cheat code indicator. Just to see what price lines up with everything. Let me say my progress first. And so yes, we see that top row of the band is right around this area. So price will probably hit similar instruction and go down possibly. And we have a bottom row of the band here. So yeah, this is pretty much a solid band. Start to pull back down. So what I want to do now is I'm going to zoom in so you can see price getting a little bit better here. That's better. You can kind of so that's good. Let's come on the cheat code indicator and we can see where very good. Right. So now that we gotten this far, what we're going to do is wait for the 9:15 candle to close, and that will close in about a little bit over 7 minutes. And then now we'll move on to the next step. So I will be right back. All right, so the 9:15 candle is about to close. So since we're in overall bearish trading range, I'm looking to do a short position. So if price happens to stick out as going to down in this area, I'm looking to sell it over down here, which this would be a total of 1,700 points. But the alert is set. So basically at this point, we are going to wait until the 9:29 candle close, which will close in about 12 minutes. And that's when we're going to actually look for price action, looking at the candlesticks, as well as if we get a buy or sell cheat code signal in this area or confirmation buy or sell signal in this area. So we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. So in about 11 to 12 minutes, we'll resume when it's 9:29. And then that's what we'll do when we move on to that step. So I'll be right back. All right, so it's 8:29, guys, and price did buy it quite a bit. So I think it was going to hit this area. We had a nice master candle off of confirmation buy signal. So it might be a possibility price might buy a little bit more, or it might be these demand area and sell. So we're going to be looking for a cheat code signal or a confirmation buy or sell signal as well. We want to focus on price action. So we have about 20 seconds for the 9:30 candle closes. So that basically what we're going to do until we get some clear confirmation of a good entry. Got about less than 10 seconds. Now the 9:30 candle is closing. So let's see. You have the cheat code sell signal here. We're going to want to wait for a bit. Let's see. My brother's telling me this way. Yeah. At the time, when we get the time. We have about, no, to get over 8 minutes for the next 10 closes. Yeah, still a lot of indecision with this candidate. This price is really, really indecisive right now. It's on both sides at this point. I'll be assuming that it's ready to go. I'll go ahead and take a sell. So I have officially taken a sell position, guys. So let's see what we do. What we do. All right, 50, 60, 70. There we go. Dropping down. 88, 89, 90. See, $90 profit. Yeah, we got that. So let me document my results and then I'll share them with you. And then we'll wrap this session up. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I've documented my results. So before I share my screen, phone screen, and kind of go over this candle here. So it looks like I think we jumped in here. Price went all the way down in here. So we got about 300 points of gold. And so we made about $90. So I'm going to actually share that right now. All right, so we're in the trade locker app. So you can see for today, I made $90.45. And so when I put the summary for today, it says that right here. So far this week, we made $381.55. So we're doing pretty good on demo. My goal is to practice this bill next week in October, so that way when I go live, then I'll be on point. So that's the goal. We still got work to do, but we did better today. So that pretty much sums up this New York session. So yeah, that's it. So that wraps it up. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.